Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your eBay account from personal to business. First, log into your eBay account. Then, go to the top right corner and hover over My eBay. Click on Summary to access your account overview. Next, click on the Account tab. Under Account, select Personal Information. Here, you'll see details about your account, including the account type. Right now, it should say Individual. To switch to a business account, your personal account needs at least 3 sales within the year. If you haven't sold anything yet, you'll need to make some sales before this option becomes available. Next to Individual, you should see an Edit button. Click it and select Business as your account type. You may need to provide verification or documentation to activate your business account, so make sure to submit all required information. And that's it. Your account should now be converted to a business account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next tutorials for more eBay tips.